Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on volume control for your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus. In default settings we can't control our volume, so we should turn on it. To doing it, click on Beats application, now scroll down and find Noise Control and Volume. Click on it. And now we should click on Volume Control. Now we can't see Enable NNC mode, but we can control our music by press and hold multifunctional buttons on the headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!